Okay, thought I'd show you what I've been working on. I'm sorry I haven't got a video out. I've not been very well. I just haven't been able to. So I've been working quietly in the background on this. This is for my sister. It's for her birthday. It's been really complicated and tiny. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up or is it going to go mad at me. It's trying to go in and out of focus. It's not. I'll try and stay. I'm not very good at this. But on the workstation. No, back this way. So we've got the little trees that are going to go on next on the side. All the glue and all the stuff that I've been doing. It has taken me a long time. I've got all the bits and pieces that are discarded to the side. I've got, oh, there's a lot going on here. We have show you one little tiny page of the instructions, and that is just to do a little few tiny pieces. This takes a lot, but I enjoy doing them, and I've been doing little bits per night and bits in the day. So you've got a mirror there which is playing havoc with my camera, two little mirror bits at the back. It will be nice though. For some reason that really doesn't want to focus. That bit there. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a little fairy or butterfly woodland kind of thing. I'm going to change that back bit up there. There's supposed to be like some little like vines that go on here. But I'm going to put butterflies on instead because I like that idea better. So yeah, so I've got to do the other side. It's quite a lot to do yet. Like a lot to do. I'm not even halfway through. Yeah, but I'll show you a bit more. Well, for you it'll be a couple of seconds. For me it'll be hours. See you in a bit. Hello. Okay. I have finished. This is, can you see in there? Look how sweet. Yes, I'm sorry, I haven't been in the right headspace to film. I am working on a video right now, and I hope to get that out to you soon. Right, I'll take some more footage for you, and this is just a little to show you what I've been doing. And then if you want to see, I have got some more kits like these. If you want to see, it is very difficult to film, but if you want to see, I'll try and do a video. It's very, very labour intensive. This has took me, because I haven't been working on it like full time, it's took me 2 months to do. And I'll turn down the lights in a minute and show you with the lights off, because it is quite little lights in it, which is very cute. But I will do, I've got a little camper van that, but that's a bigger project than this one. But I can do that one and try and take some footage for you. But I love them, they're so cute. Let me sort of try and get it up. There we go, see if I can get it. They're so sweet. This is like a little BookNook one. A little fairy sort of Firefly BookNook. And I love this. Yeah, but they are very difficult to film because they're very labour intensive and you have to kind of get really close to them to do, but that's very difficult. If any of you have ever filmed anything, that is very, very difficult to film while trying not to get your face in the camera and to try and get, yeah, really close so that you can see what you're doing, but the camera very close at the same time. It is very difficult to do. Right, I'm going to turn the lights off and put the little teeny lights on. Right, I've turned the lights down and I've also turned the ISO down. I don't know why I'm whispering now, but when you turn the lights down I just start to whisper. I'm so funny. Right, let's turn the little lights on. There, can you see? It's so cute. Don't know whether you can see now, but it's supposed to be. Look, isn't it little fairy lights? That's so cute. I can't actually see now because I've gone cross-eyed. I can't actually see whether I'm in focus now. I'm sorry. You all know I'm a little bit strange. But I can't see if you're in focus. So I do hope you are. But it's so cute. Let's see if I can turn you that side so you can see what's on this side. There we go. But it's got little mirrors at the back so that everything sort of looks like it's continuing to. Is that better? I think that's better. Yes, that's better. There you go. Anyway, just a little video to show you what I've been up to. So I do hope you're all okay. I shall have a video out for you soon. And take care. I hope you're all alright and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.